everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to transfer GGives to CIMB Bank. So you have to take note that transferring your GGives loan amount to your CIMB Bank isn't already supported. So this is just some workaround if you need some funds from GGives into your CIMB Bank. So what you're gonna do is find an online or physical GCash partner merchant that allows GGives as a payment method. So in this example, I'm at the Lazada application. So you just have to pick in an item that you can resell, and then use the GGives as a payment method. And for the items purchased, consider selling them through a second-hand marketplace like Facebook Marketplace or Carousel. So you just have to make a listing to your Facebook Marketplace and then publish it after. Once you have found a buyer, you can directly tell your buyer to send the payment through GCash. And then once you have received the money on your GCash, you can then go to transfer and then transfer the money to your CIMB Bank. So you just have to fill in the bank details and then send the amount. And that's it. This workaround will effectively let you use your GGives loan amount indirectly to your CIMB Bank account. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!